Hi guys, a little different type of bag for you this week. This is the Velocity Rogue 15 van bag. This bag is perfect if you got a bench seat, you want a console, you can put this in the middle. It's got a cool little mechanism that holds the top open for you. A little writing surface, plenty of storage, a little cooler bag in here. You're gonna see it. I'm gonna do a loadout here in a second. It's awesome. Comes with this nice heavy duty molded handle, shoulder strap. Just like everything a regular tool bag would come with, except this is meant to be carried in and out of the job site and into your van to be used as a console. You can put this in the passenger seat if nobody's using that. You can put it in the back seat. What you just saw was the intro, was me putting it in the back seat, mainly because it was easier to film in the truck in the back seat. But other than that, you can put it in the back seat if you want to, if somebody's back there that needs a console with drink holders. This thing is perfect for that. You'll see I'm gonna do a complete loadout on it. Before we do that, when I did my first Velocity video, one of my good subscribers, Matt HMM, bought one of these exact bags, and I remember him telling me he was gonna buy this bag. So I texted him and see if he would do a short 30-second video on his bag and how he's got it loaded out before I show you what my loadout is. So let's take a look right now at the way Matt's got his loaded out.
Hi, my name is Matt, and this is how I use my Van Bag 15. Here on the front, you have plenty of room for all kinds of stuff. Long gloves, I have rags, tape, things like that in there. Inside here, we have room for paperwork, tools. I have pens, markers, laser distance measures, zip ties, all the basic stuff. The cup holders are nice and deep here for large things. Inside, we have a few common tools, just cheap grab stuff for if I run into someplace. We have snacks, we have water bottles, random Bosch Go 3, 6-inch lineman, tape measure. The biggest advantage here is you can have a nice flat surface to write on. Thank you.
Okay, so included with the bag is this shoulder strap. It's got a nice cushion here, a little foam or gel inserts. It also has this very cool little carabiner here. It's a locking carabiner. You twist it to push it open. Without pushing it, it locks. This is a unit that holds the top open. You just simply pull this around your headrest, and right here is this little magnetic clip. There's a little strap attached to the lid. You just click it in here, and that holds the lid open for you. Okay, so let's have a look how this bag here is loaded out. On the front pouch here, you got plenty room for a laptop. This is the Apple MacBook Air. We open the top up. We have a notebook here. Full-size notebook in this pouch. We have a flashlight, Klein Tools knife, Pica pencil, carpenter's pencil, and a marker. This is your desktop here where you can do your writing. Now here, you got this little magnet that's actually a little handle. So you pull this up, and you got plenty room in here for things. Now I only got things in two pouches here. This one pouch has got our couple of 4-inch bits, and this is a thermostat screwdriver here. And inside here, I've got this small notebook. On the outside, I've got a flashlight, a little Warson E7 flashlight, mechanical pencil, Write in the Rain pen, and this little titanium screwdriver. So this is just a notebook cover to hold this field notes 3.5 by 5.5 notebook. Also, I have a little titanium adjustable wrench here and another bit for the screwdriver. These are for sale on Amazon. I think I paid like $20 for it. It's wax canvas. Here we have a little Hazette pouch, and in this Hazette pouch, though, I do have two Knipex, the 5-inch pliers wrench and the 5-inch Cobra, a Kerner laser measurer, got a Stanley control lock tape measure. Now this also holds my SC45. This SC45 is completely kitted out with the Veto Check Plus, a little stubby adjustable Klein screwdriver with bits in the handle. And on this side, we've got our ESD Vera driver, a little spotlight, different things like that. So, and this is the Vim Tools little 1/4-inch driver here. Now also in this Rogue 15 is this little insulated pouch here. So in here, I've got a water, LaCroix water that's keeping cold. It'll go here. Also, you got a place for a water bottle or a tumbler to go here. And on the side here, you've got this little zippered pouch. Now this zippered pouch, in here, I'm just right now holding this little Weeha Allen keys. But the zippered pouch actually fits in behind this little plastic rail, and there is Velcro behind here. So this is Velcroed in. You can take it, you can move it down here, you can move it to this other side over here, however you want it, but you can see the amount of room you have in here. Now inside here, if you want to pop this up, you can, this just snaps off. Here's a little cube of foam, hard foam, where you can move this to different locations. Wherever you want to put a small cup or a small drink, that's where you put this. And then you just snap it right back in place. There you go. Very nice. So that's everything that fit in this Rogue 15. I tell you, I am very impressed with it. It's nice having a little writing area, a little desk area here in your console. So that's the loadout, guys. That's the loadout of the Rogue 15 Velocity van bag. See you next week.